Hi, this is Brenna Malin. I'm coming to you from Colton RV and Marine. I'm here to tell you about a product that we just started carrying for 2024. That is our new KZ Connect. I am super excited about this. I love KZ as a manufacturer. They've been in business since 1972. They make some of the most strongest frames in the industry. They have a fully huck bolted frame. I'm going to show you what I mean over here. These are 10 times stronger than a welded frame. So if you do off-roading, this is really the best thing for you. You can see the huck bolt right here. It is actually torqued directly into this bolt so that it's not gonna wiggle loose over time. Another thing I wanna point out is that it does come with a power tongue jack. Make it super easy to load and unload off your truck. Not only is this sharp looking, but that roof up there is a Toughlex roof. It has a lifetime warranty, so that as long as you own this camper, that roof is gonna be covered. Over here, these baggage doors, they are a full 1 inch thick. Most competitors are only a 1/2 inch thick. That gives you a lot more insulation for the items you carry inside. And it does come with a heated and enclosed underbelly so that it is a full Arctic package. It even has a separate heating duct going directly to the freshwater tank to make sure that water isn't gonna freeze. Let's come over this way. You also see that it has some wonderful solid steps that are going in and out of the camper. That's gonna make it a lot easier with this large grab handle to get in and out of your camper. It has this beautiful awning with LED lights that goes all the way across. Notice it does not go over the slide, so you're not losing space, and you have plenty of space to set up your patio. Over here, you can see it has 2 axles with aluminum frame wheels. And one thing I forgot to mention, that frame is also 5 times powder coated, so it's not gonna rust over time. Let's go check out the inside. The first thing you notice when you walk into this camper is how this travel trailer actually feels like a 5th wheel. With these dual opposing slides, it gives you so much space to entertain. You have 2 couches that also turn into beds, and you also have the theater seats that have 3 levels of vibration and heat to be nice and comfortable directly across from this ginormous TV. Below it, you'll see it has an electric fireplace, which also emits heat, keeps it nice and toasty in here. Now, another thing I wanted to talk to you about is how this camper comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. You know, most manufacturers only have a 1 year. We also have awesome construction. The floors are made with tongue and groove wood that is also offset so that you're gonna have super strong floors. The sidewalls are all framed with aluminum framing, and they have Blasdell in the walls. If you know anything about Blasdell, you know it's 50% lighter than wood, and it is impervious to mildew, water penetration, or any kind of issues over time or warping. You're gonna love this camper. I wanna show you a couple other things. Not only do you see how much storage you have here in the living room, but you also have plenty of storage in the kitchen area. Look how deep these cabinets are. You also are going to have a full 12-volt fridge on this. Now, all the Connects are solar prep, but we ordered ours with solar panels. So this one does have a solar panel on the roof, and this 12-volt fridge is going to run off the battery, and the solar panel will keep it charged. Let's look this way. Now here you see this table is unlike any travel trailer I've ever seen. You have a booth side, and you also have these lovely bar stools. You can be nice and comfortable while you're cooking and talking to your friends in the kitchen. People can be comfortable in the living room. Now I'm going to show you another really nice thing about the bedroom. All Connects come standard with a king size bed. I love this camper and these wardrobes. Not only does it have a wardrobe on both sides, but they actually go much deeper down there than most wardrobes. And you have this huge shelf up here to store things. And the two little side nooks there with outlets to charge your devices and reading lights. Check out that beautiful window too. How many travel trailers do you know that has a window that is going to bring in natural sunlight into your bedroom? I also want to show you this extra wardrobe over here. It is huge. You can store so much stuff in here. And check it out, a travel trailer with washer and dryer prep. That's right, you can put an all-in-one washer and dryer in here, do your laundry while you're camping. Who doesn't love that? Let's check out the bathroom. So right here is our bathroom. Now you'll notice the toilet is porcelain and it is on a slant, so you have plenty of room to use the throne and have room for your arms to move. That shower is nice and tall with a skylight to add about 6 inches extra. No matter how tall you are, you have a beautiful countertops and cabinetry in here and lots of storage. So now that you've seen one of our connects on video, you got to come to Colton RV and Marine to see all the different layouts we have available. Once again, my name is Brenna. You could call me at 716-694-0188. My extension here is 473. I can't wait to show you some of these.